Alright guys, little morning update here. Just switched out a few of these breakers. There were 3 of them here. It was actually this breaker right here, this 3-pole, so I switched those 3 singles over down here for 3 individual for these circuits for the outside plugs that I was doing yesterday. Had to do it hot because as soon as I turned it off, the lights went off in here and the fire alarm panel started freaking out, so had to do it hot, 400 amps. So I made it, y'all, but definitely not the funnest thing to do in the morning right when you're half awake. So anyways, I'll try to show you the plugs outside as I carry my tools out. So good start to the morning. Let's go. Here's the plugins right there on the ceiling. Alright guys, end of the day. Not feeling very accomplished here, but I did finish the run. So as you can see here, some of it is really crooked. So that's hanging right now because I have to straighten that back out. All the pipe is ran, all the boxes are hung, all the lights are hung and made up except the one with the MC because I didn't do that one yet. Ran out of straps or lead anchors, so had to take some of this apart and straighten it out because he wanted it tight to the columns, but the columns are kind of not straight. And then I was keeping it 7 feet off the wall according to the first column, but when I do 7 feet, sometimes it's past this or sometimes it's out further, so the pipe was like looking like a rainbow or something, like a wave in the ocean. So I was straightening out some of them, but yeah, so this was the last one I just finished. And then as you can see, I think one of these had to like kick it a little bit. I had the pipe, I just took the box offset and rolled it a little bit to make the pipe look straight. So, but there's a few of them that are just hanging down because I have to re-straighten it out to the ceiling because it looks really bad. So hopefully get some of those parts tomorrow, and that should be about it. So just gonna pick up my tools here. So I just did a little baby MC run, made that up, and then left the wire in the box. So I just gotta pull a THHN through the pipe and then tie them together. So these ones are straight, but I tried to like make the ones loose that are crooked. But I'm gonna shoot a laser on it tomorrow, and then it'll just take me 2 seconds to strap that up once I have a laser on it. I'm just gonna run the laser between the columns, and then that should do it. So yeah, I did this for most of the day, which is sad because it didn't make me feel very accomplished. But I did go across the street, as you saw in the beginning of the day, and do the panel hot, switch the breakers out hot. So, and then I also did a little troubleshooting on one of the spider boxes. Just taking this off because I'm on fire. Went and did a little bit of troubleshooting because one of the plugs wasn't working. So went through it with a tester and just checked that out. So got that working, and then the guy was happy because his plug was working again for his cement mixer. So anyways, that should do it, guys, for today. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. I would greatly appreciate that. The channel's been a little slow recently, so if you guys give it a like, maybe it'll boost the channel back up a little bit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, or if you like the content or want to check back in tomorrow. But regardless, I appreciate the support and for stopping by. I will see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.